Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to import images to your sketch on the Sketchbook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the second icon at the top of the screen and click on import image. Here you will be directed to your gallery where you can choose from your pictures. So tap on the relevant one that you want to insert. As you can see down below, you can see instructions such as tap drag with one finger to move, pivot with two fingers to rotate and pitch to scale, double tap with one finger to reset. So now place it within your sketch, and if you are done with it, you will be able to press the check mark icon in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.